Many people live their whole lives believing lies about money that keep them stuck in a cycle of poverty. The worst part? These lies are ingrained in our society, passed down by well-meaning but misinformed people. We all know that money makes the world go round, but there are so many myths and lies that circulate about it. These lies are holding you back from building wealth, and it's time to set the record straight. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break free from the myths that are keeping you poor. If you apply these truths, your financial life could transform. Like and subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Myth number 1. You need a high salary to be rich. This is one of the biggest misconceptions about wealth. We've been conditioned to believe that a high-paying job is the only path to financial freedom. But that's not true. The truth is, wealth is built through smart investments, living below your means, and consistent saving. Let's break this down. Take the example of a person making $50,000 a year, but investing wisely and saving aggressively. They could build wealth over time. On the other hand, someone making $200,000 but spending recklessly will always struggle financially. You should always try to increase your income, but it's no use if you don't have the right habits. Save, invest, and keep your expenses under control. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you do with what you earn. Lie number 2. You have to spend money to make money. This sounds logical, right? But it's a dangerous myth. You don't need to spend huge amounts to make money. In fact, overspending in the pursuit of wealth is one of the fastest ways to stay poor. If you want to grow your wealth, you need to invest in yourself, your skills, or opportunities that will pay off in the long run. This doesn't mean reckless spending or buying things to impress others, but rather spending on things that contribute to your growth. You have to spend money to make money, but it must be spent wisely. Lie number 3. It's all about savings. The myth that saving is all you need to build wealth is one of the most harmful lies keeping people poor. While saving is important, it's not enough to achieve financial freedom. Many people think that putting money in a savings account and living frugally will make them wealthy, but they miss the crucial element of investing. Inflation eats away at savings, meaning the money you save today will be worth less tomorrow. The resolution? You need to change your mindset. Saving is not the same as investing. Start investing in vehicles that give you returns, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Invest in yourself. Your career is the engine of your wealth, says Paul Clitheroe. Make sure that your savings work for you. Don't just hoard money. Find ways to multiply it. Saving is good, but investing is what turns money into wealth. Number 4. It's all about savings. Let's be real. The stock market does involve risk, but that doesn't mean you should avoid it. In fact, the greatest risk is not investing at all. The stock market has historically provided higher returns than most other investments over time, especially for long-term investors. Look at the S&P 500, for instance. If you had invested in the S&P 500 index 30 years ago, you'd have an average return of about 8% per year, and that's after adjusting for inflation. Compare that to keeping money in a savings account or a fixed deposit, where you're lucky to get 2% interest per year. The stock market isn't as risky as it's made out to be. If you invest wisely and stay in the game for the long haul, your money will work for you. Number 5. I'm too young or old to invest. This is a self-limiting belief that holds many people back from securing their financial future. The truth is, there is no right age to start investing. Whether you're in your 20s or 60s, it's never too early or too late to start building wealth. If you're young, you have the advantage of time. You can invest in things like index funds, stocks, or even start a side business. And if you're older, you still have plenty of time to benefit from compound growth. Don't let age be a barrier. Don't use age as an excuse. Start investing today, no matter where you are in life. Remember, the right time is now. Number 6. All debt are bad. The belief that all debt is bad is misconceptions about money that keeps people poor. Not all debt is created equal. While high-interest credit card debt or loans for unnecessary luxury items can cripple your finances, there's such a thing as good debt, debt that can help you build wealth. A mortgage for a rental property, for example, or taking out a loan to invest in education or business growth can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. The mistake many make is fearing all debt and avoiding it at all costs, which results in missed opportunities. If you never leverage debt in a smart way, you might limit your financial growth to only what you can afford with your existing savings. This keeps you stuck in the same financial place. The wealthy don't avoid debt. They use it to invest in assets that appreciate and generate income. Number 7. Money doesn't buy happiness. While it's true that money alone can't guarantee happiness, it can certainly provide the freedom to pursue what brings joy, security, and peace of mind. In his book, The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that money is a tool that helps you live a life you want on your terms in a way that is satisfying to you. People often fall into the trap of thinking that money is only for materialism and excess. But when used wisely, it provides the ability to enjoy life without the constant worry of bills, debt, or financial stress. The mistake people make is equating money with greed or an unfulfilling pursuit of more things. Money buys the freedom to spend time with loved ones, travel, pursue passions, and take care of your health, things that lead to long-term happiness. Myth number 8. I'll start saving later. This is a dangerous trap that many people fall into, especially in their 20s and 30s. They think they have all the time in the world to start saving. Procrastination in saving leads to missed opportunities for growth. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. Without a solid financial foundation, people are more likely to be burdened by debt, struggle to afford emergencies, or delay important life goals like buying a home or retiring comfortably. Don't wait for later. Start saving and investing now, and the results will speak for themselves in the future. Number 9. Investing is only for the rich. Another lie that keeps people from building wealth is the idea that you need a lot of money to start investing. But you don't need millions to become an investor. You can start small. The reality is that you can start investing with as little as $5. In fact, studies have shown that those who start investing early, even with small amounts, are more likely to build wealth over time. Don't wait for a fortune to start investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Number 10. Money is the root of all evil. This is a lie that's been around for centuries and it's widely accepted. But here's the truth. Money is not evil, it's neutral. It's simply a tool that amplifies what's already inside of you. If you're a good person, money can help you do more good in the world. If you're selfish or greedy, money can amplify that too. But why does this myth exist? Because many people are taught to associate wealth with greed and corruption. Think about it. Every time you hear about a rich person doing something unethical, this idea gets reinforced. However, the richest philanthropists in the world, like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, are giving away billions to charity. So, instead of seeing money as bad, start seeing it as a tool to create opportunities, solve problems, and help others. Money is a means to an end, not the end itself. If you change your mindset about money, you can use it to achieve your goals and do good in the world. Imagine how much you could help others once you have the resources to do so. Now, I'll leave up to you whether you'll continue to let these myths dictate your financial future, or if you'll take action and start making smarter decisions today. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.